Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now to those that are yet to subscribe and have not yet subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So what we have here is USDJPY. We would want to know where this movement will be made for this week. We would want to know where our price will be going for this week. So in order to be able to predict such movements, we are going to start from the higher time frame because this higher time frame it will be better for us. So we'll be able to understand this movement and why we'll be making such move. So from this monthly time frame, let's start with this movement from 2020. So you can see this is the month of 2020, right? Let's start from the month of the year of 2020. We've been having a bullish move. During that time, DXY was actually going bullish, USD index was actually going bullish. It was this same period where this JPY, our so-called JPY, was actually going bearish, was actually dropping, no doubt about that. So we all know that once price is going, giving us that bullish move, giving us an higher highs and higher lows, we will sit trading above the 10 period simple moving average. And those of you that trade with the moving average, you know that once your price is above it, then definitely it is a long. All you just have to do is look for a better setup to go ahead or better entry to go ahead and take your long movement on USDJPY. Well, that movement has been going on for some times. Then it was, it was about late 2022. That was late last year. We started having this bearish move on USDJPY. This movement, this movement started late October, by the way. So late October. This is one of the reasons why in the month of October, though in the month of October we closed bullish, well, you can see a candlestick wick sticking at the top. That is to tell that price has even gotten to that highs. Then price gave us a drop, meaning that price was dropping. Then we got to the month of November last year, 2022. Price also gave us a bearish move. We actually opened and closed bearish. We also entered in the month of December. You can see it last month or last year, whatever you see. We actually had a bearish move, which gave us about 700 pips, right? And now we are in the month of January. So at first, price actually went up, which was kind of like a pullback for the downtrend move, which will be more visible on the daily time frame. We will get into that. So anyway, price has now given us a bearish move. By the way, this month has not ended, right? So that is to tell that more bearish move is to come. So currently, since this price open here and currently at this level, so the price has given us about close to 300 pips. By the time this month will be over, I guess we would be, it should have given us about 600 to 700 pips. So that is to tell that we have about 200, 304 between the level of 200, 300, and 400 pips. More bearish move would be made by the time before this month, we end. So watch out for it. We can also see that this price is now trading below the 10 period simple moving average. So since this price is still trading below this 10 period simple moving average, for long-term traders, you would want to go ahead and sell on your USD JPY. So now let's see what this weekly time frame is actually saying. Like I said, before you actually go ahead and take your trade, you would want to know the trend for such move. Markets give us three type of movements. Is it an uptrend move, a downtrend move, or a ranging markets move, right? So what we are seeing on USDJPY is actually a downtrend move. Market is currently giving us a downtrend move. Previously, it was an uptrend move. This is one of the reasons why price was trading above this 10 period simple moving average. But right now, price is now giving us a downtrend move, and we are now trading below this 10 period simple moving average. So now see this movement like this as a drop, then you can consider this to be a pullback, then you would see this to be a drop. You can see a new lows that took out the previous lows, and here will be seen to be a pullback, a new lows seen here, right? And we will now take a look at this to be a pullback. What next do you expect? Of course, we expect a loss again. So this is the loss. By the way, we will be getting a pullback soon. That pullback will be bullish. So we are currently trading at 127. So let's see this USDJPY drop to a level of 126. Currently, we are still trading at 127, by the way. So we would want to see it drop to a level of 126. Once it gets to a level of 1 to 6, then we expect a pullback, which I believe will happen this week. So we expect a drop to be made. I think that drop should give us, I think, is it close to 100 pips? About 100 pips. At least watch out for a drop of 100 pips, then a good amount of pullback will be made on USDJPY. Now, to those of you that would now want to go ahead and sell, I think it will be an opportunity to now go ahead and sell. So do not yet sell now, except you are a day trader. You want to trade it there. Maybe you can go ahead and sell. But if you are like a swing trader like me, all I would just advise you is actually wait for a pullback to be made. So at least you even get more opportunity. Once there's a pullback, there will even be more opportunity to even go. You'll be able to even grab more pips by the way, and the chances of you being stopped out to be very, very less. Except you are just a day trader, you want to trade in a day and open and close that day, then you can go ahead. But this weekly time frame is still a bearish move, right? So a pullback will be happening soon. Anyway, this week that we are predicting for, we would want to see USDJPY actually give us a bearish move. It should actually open and close this week. But by the way, watch out for a pullback. So pullback will very much likely to play out. That should now take us to the daily time frame. Like I said, you would want to zoom it out. You would want to know the trend for such movement that you are trading. You can see that this trend is a downtrend move, a lower lows and a lower highs. So let's start this moment from here. We will see this to be a lower lows. Take a look at this to be a pullback, right? Then we would consider this to be a new lows. You can see this new lows that took out the previous lows, and here will be seen as a pullback, right? A new lows here that took out this previous lows, right? Pullback being played out here. Now a new lows has been made that's taking out this previous lows. This is one of the reasons why I say that we should be expecting a pullback anytime soon. At least if it gets price will drop, you should actually see that drop of about 100 pips. Once that drop has been made, then a pullback will be made, which will be bullish. So be very, very careful. A pullback is coming soon, which will kind of give us like that bullish move. By the way, in the months we actually had this was around the 12th, right? This was on Thursday, right? USDJPY actually had gave us a bearish move, right? Right. You know, this was during that CPI news, right? We were all expecting, okay, if CPI news comes out today, if it comes out very strong, right? We would expect this USDJPY to actually push up, thereby taking out this previous highs. But unfortunately, the news did not come out well, so it didn't drop, and that is to tell you that more drop is to come on USDJPY. So if more drop, so we should be expecting or watching out for more drop. By the way, this price is still trading below this 10-period simple moving average. So that should not take us to the 4-hour time frame. So we will zoom it out, right? So you can see the 4-hour time frame. A lower lows and a lower highs is playing out, right? Since on we are on a downtrend from the weekly time frame, especially from the monthly time frame to the weekly time frame to the daily time frame, and we would want to place that trade on the forward time frame. Definitely, that forward time frame must also give us a downtrend move. So definitely, this is a downtrend move. You can see on the forward time frame, lower lows and lower highs is playing out. So before you guide and sell, be careful because a pullback will come out anytime soon, which very much likely to take you out. So let's see this on the forward time frame to be a drop, then you can now consider this to be a pullback, right? Now, this is a massive drop that has been made here. So be very, very careful. If in case price continues to drop, no doubt about that. But if that anyhow it plays out, then a pullback should be made. If in case price start making pullback, you should see that pullback at a level of 130 or 129. Currently, you're actually at 127. So as you see it around a level of 129 and 130, then this USD JPY can continue its bearish move for the week.